Welcome back. Oh, Master, I wonder what kind of dream we'll have tonight. Well, let's go together. CQ! Oh, come now, comrade. Surely you can do better than that. Ah, looks like it's my victory, huh? I've never seen you move so slowly. I'm not even sure that's a win that I can be proud of. No gloating. Oh, gloating is one of the best things about winning, though. Especially when you pout like this. Frown at me all you want. It won't change the outcome of the fight. Now. Any injuries? Just wounded pride. Oh, you think I should just take my prize and get it over with? You sound angry. You sound angry. You sound angry. But I get the feeling you're really eager for me to do as I please with you. Don't tell me that you lost on purpose just because you were excited for what comes next, my pet. So you did lose on purpose. How amusing. You really are full of surprises, aren't you? However, I'm not sure I should reward you for just giving up. Losing is supposed to be agonizing. Maybe I should just go off, yeah? Leave you wanting so you'll go all out the next time we fight. What did you just say? I said, what did you just say? That's what I thought, my pet. Fine, I'll have my reward. And I will have you repeating that name until you're whispering it even as you sleep. You know I can't resist your pathetic little pleas when you call me Ajax. Oh, no, darling. You don't get to touch unless I give you permission. You look so desperate for my body, pet. I might even say the feeling of watching you ride is more euphoric than victory itself. So, what did you think of tonight's lovely dream? Feeling comforted with a smile in your heart? That's wonderful. I can tell from your face. After all, once you listen to my voice and remember my name, I'll forever be a part of you. Hey, do me a favor. I want you to subscribe to my Patreon to hear everything. Or if you want to offer your support, buy this on Gumroad. I want you to watch me perform live on my YouTube, Twitch, and Bilibili streams. But most of all, I want you to be safe and happy until we next meet. Farewell, love, Seikyo. Bye-bye.